Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today I will explain how to use blending mode.
Let's begin. Let's start.
The mode in which the upper and lower layers are combined is called blending mode. When combining layers, RGB information of the layers is used, so even layers without alpha channels can also be combined. Prepare a background layer and a solid layer. Here, let's use a black solid layer. Select the solid layer and then from the Effects tab on the menu bar, select Generate Lens Flare. In the Timeline panel, place the solid layer with lens flare effect on the upper layer and place a background layer under it. Here, we will change the blending mode of the upper layer. In the Timeline panel, click Mode menu to select the mode you want to use. Here I will choose Screen mode. As you can see, the light was combined like this. In the blending mode screen, the part with lower brightness becomes transparent and is combined with the lower layer. This is why I chose to use the black solid layer. You can change the position of the light by adjusting the position of the flare center in the lens flare property. You can also change the brightness of the light by adjusting flare brightness. There are a variety of blending modes in After Effects. Blending modes are divided into 3 categories: multiply, add, and overlay, so we will explain the characteristics of every category. Place the color bar as the upper layer and the mountain image as the lower layer. Then, we will select the blending mode from here. Multiply mode has the effect of darkening the color by combining. If you click Multiply, the colors will become darker, like this. This category is a blending mode, which helps to increase the brightness of the colors by combining. Screen mode belongs to this category. When clicking Add, we can see that the colors become brighter. In blending mode, this category has the effect of increasing contrast by combining. When choosing Overlay, you can see that the contrast is getting stronger. This is the end of the lecture on how to use blending mode.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.